Morning guys, it's about 11 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. We're out here in this beautiful wetland, you might say. It's the back of Stanley Park and the back of the zoo in Blackpool. And I've come out today to look for a sneaky little camp for the weekend. Ideally, I want to camp right at the back of Blackpool Zoo where you can see the tigers. You saw the clip earlier on. So we've come out, got some food to cook off. We're going to have a stroll around all of this wetland. It's like Martin Mere. We're going to see if we can find somewhere. There's already quite a few spaces around here I can see, like over there. Could drop down into that. But I think that's going to be a bit wet. So stay with me and we'll find somewhere. Well, it doesn't stink of this. It does look like maybe some kids come here. This place is so overpopulated. Caravan site just over there. Dog walkers absolutely everywhere. I know where I'm coming for my sloes for my gin. Loads of them around here. Absolutely loads. Let's have a look down here. Ooh. Now then. Here's somewhere, still close to the path. But at night time, if you came late, you might get away with a little tent here. Oh, watch these thorns. Got a little path there. I think that's what the golfers use. So we'd have to come about the time the golfers stop playing. Well, I think here we're well covered. Yeah, so we could get down here. Put a camo net across there. Yeah, I think we might have found somewhere. Raining on a red hot daylight today. Look at me. quite liking this, so I'm going to put this on what 3 words as well. This is, yeah, it's looking good. Right, what I'm going to do, guys, these branches that's still alive, so I'll tuck that in there. But these ones I'm going to get out of the way. Oh yeah. Put them across here. Nice twigs if I need them. Bit uneven this, but with an air mat or something, we should be alright. So, cleared the ground. Get all these twigs out my face. And when I come back, I'm not making a big amount of noise. How close the golf course is to where I'm thinking of staying. But I do think, like I say, if I leave it to the last thing, we should be alright. Blackpool Tower in the distance there. I'll zoom in later. Right, let's move on. Like I say, there is loads of places around here. The only thing is, they're right by a road, or there's a path here. There's a path just on the other side. It's quite hard to get in. Oh, here we go again. Oh, they're nearly ready. Let's have a taste. It's hot, but in gin they would go beautiful. Loads here. I think we need to get here next time we walk the dogs. I think they're ready for picking, you know. Here's another spot, just not 100 metres away. Oh yeah. That's where we're thinking. But here, yeah, the path's there, but you come down here. Could get a tent in there easy. Golf course is just out there. Don't mind if I do. Wild plums, beautiful. Okay guys, it is right by the path, but then we got the lions right behind here. And I'm thinking we put a scrim net up there, camouflage net, got some soft ground here, or we could even push in there a bit more. This is a definite spot. Right guys, a little nosh. The fruit at this time of year is beautiful. It's hot, people, really hot. Sweltering. Right, my sugars are getting low. So first thing, I need a banana. So as you saw, everywhere around here is full of boots, full of people, sorry, pathways, full of people, anywhere you go. It is packed. But we got a few options now. We got the one where the golf course splits and it's in the middle. Then we got the bit down by the zoo. Quite a few spots there. And I think that's where I'm going to go. This spot, I used to come here all the time and it's so overgrown now. If I brought some sort of trimmer with me, it'd be ideal here. Right, take that with me. What we got today? I got this spicy tripe self-eating meal. We'll get this on the go, then we'll have a chat because I really need to get sugars inside me before I can't. Right, I'm pretty au fait with these now. Tried a few of these, everyone's been excellent. Been putting this one off because it's tripe, cow's stomach. And I just didn't really fancy it. Oh, got them noodles. And that's a tripe. Oh, here we go. Got the spices, chopsticks, more spicy mix, and a heating pad. Heating pack in there. There's my water. That'll be a thing if I'm by the zoo. I'm going to need insect repellent, aren't I? And then lid on. Oh, sugar. That's definitely working. Right, 15 minutes it says. Like in my new chair. Like, comes out in a bag and then folds. The bag is the seat cover. Brilliant. So about all glasses, close up, long range. Oh, you know when you're getting old, don't you? Right guys, we should be hot enough. Now I brought this to put my stove on. I'm not going to need it. But this is red hot. Oh. So I'm going to use it for that. Oh. Look at this. And rubbery noodles. Really tender. Oh, damn hot. Ow. Bit that tripe. I say it every time, guys. Chinese food you cannot go wrong with. You really know how to do this. I think chopsticks are the way to go. Not bad. This is second to none. Imagine if you're just out camping, like we're going to do a stealth camp. These would be ideal. The smell might give it away, because it smells beautiful. I'll bring you back when I've down this. Delicious that, guys. Right. I'll put a link to where I get these from. I think they're just off eBay or Amazon, I can't remember. Right guys, let's get out of here. Left no trace. Oh, I'm lying. Left me other pair of specs. I'll be knackered for the drive home with them. Right, I've got to get the van in for an MOT. And I've got to put this video together. So yeah, I've left no trace apart from beaten grass. Like I say, I think I'll come back with a scythe or something, cut an area out here, just enough to get a tent, because this is ideal. It's the only place that hasn't got a path right next to it. So hopefully you'll see me on the next video next to the lions. Please like, subscribe, all that jazz. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for joining me on this. See you later. Quick one, guys. This recce will come out after I've already done the camp at the side of the zoo. Reason for that is I don't want somebody at the zoo seeing this on YouTube and then deciding to look out for me. That'd be a bummer. So this will be out first, but at the same time I would have already done the stealth camp. Okay, catch you later, boys.